Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW i4 Alpine White versus Mineral White. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of each, helping you decide which pure white or warm white tone suits your BMW best. Understanding these differences is key to making an informed decision for your vehicle's aesthetic. Let's dive into the details of these two popular white paint options. Alpine White is BMW's quintessential solid white, known for its bright and pure appearance. It lacks metallic flakes, giving it a straightforward, classic aesthetic. This color excels at highlighting the sharp design elements of the i4, creating a sporty and high-contrast look. It's a timeless choice that has been a standard offering for many years. Mineral White Metallic presents a warmer, more nuanced white with a subtle pearl effect. Infused with metallic pigments, it radiates a gentle glow and offers delicate glittering accents in bright light. This finish elegantly softens and integrates the car's lines, providing a richer, more upscale personality. It's a premium option that adds a touch of luxury. Choosing between Alpine White and Mineral White ultimately comes down to personal preference. Alpine White offers a crisp, sporty contrast, while Mineral White provides relaxed sophistication with its metallic sheen. Consider the overall look you desire for your BMW i4. For more insights and other great deals, be sure to check the description below this video. We hope this comparison helps you make the perfect choice for your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.